Hey guys, we're gonna do another video, and I think we're gonna play some Pixel Gun. So let's get started. My friend's here. Say hello. 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 Okay, now he's just putting his face on me. God help me, please. Okay, let's just play some. Dude, stop. Real. Dude, I can't wait. Yo, I'm like level 29. I'm about to get on 31. Man. Let's just talk to my friend. Come on, load up, boy. Load up. Load up. Boy, you look like who did it and why? You look like who did it and why, you Houdini. You look like... Do 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 do. Come on, low faced mate.
We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. The Simpsons song. The Simpsons song.
Yeah, sing some song. You should type in your. Actually, no. Type in your favorite song. Mine's Eminem. What's yours?
Shut up, and hold on, no,
wait,
not
what
that.
What the heck?
24 karat magic in the air.
Okay, move. Okay, I'm gonna turn this down. You already have inventory in the cloud. Okay. So, I don't care right now. Got anonymous scam, boy. I just moved from that. Hold on. I'm gonna get my tickets. Get 8. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get me an egg. I need some eggs. Yo, I got an ancient egg. Lucky. Looka. Okay, I'm gonna get me some. Oh, ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. See, I'm level 27. I'm pretty high for that level. Where is settings? Settings. There's settings. Turn the volume down. Okay, now you can hear me pretty good, so you don't have to hear that thing. Okay, I'm gonna play some team fight. Let's do walking fortress.
I think this map, I just want to say this right now. I think this match was inspired in one of the Star Wars scenes, because that thing looks exactly from the Star Wars movie, man.
Oh yeah, it does. I actually never noticed that for some reason.
You never noticed that?
Yep, I never noticed. Whoa, what? Wait, what? I have no teammates. Shameful wise. Man, shameful wise. Ah! Sorry. Die.
So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take turns playing and all that. So
there's 2 people and they have freaking okay, I'm gonna set up my base. Boom. Okay, that's good. What in the heck? Oh my god, there's a bag moving by the air. It's like air moving it. Yeah. So okay, good people. Oh my god! Oh no.
Dude, how are you surviving right now? Oh, you just floating.
Yep, it's so laggy. Sorry if it's laggy for y'all, which it should be. Oh my god, shoot! Shoot the missiles! Shoot the missiles! Oh my god, what the heck? Yo. Hurry up! Oh my god, my phone's so slow. Oh my gosh. Well, I bet he's spamming it. Spammer McCammer. Kill him. I'm just gonna stay right here and watch. Just gonna watch out. Die. I told you to get out of my base, man. Get out of my base. I don't let when people in this, man. You know me, man. Oh my god. Ah! I'm sorry. Okay, Juke out, juke out, juke out. Goodbye, bye-bye. Yo, come on. I want some chance. Okay, I want some chance. 3 seconds. Oh, we're about to win. Yo, let's go, let's go, let's go. Don't get a point, don't get a point. Yes! Yo, let's go. We won. 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 Yo, swear I'll add him. Yo, I can add y'all as friends. Just comment down below what your name is, because I can add you. And I can give you a free shout out for free. I don't really care.
Okay, now it's my... Is my turn now?
Yeah, hold on, let me put you on parkour. I put him on parkour,
No,
guys.
I hate parkour. You know that.
Yep, I know, because I want him to second.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna exit out of this because
No, I
I
swear to
hate
God, you do.
parkour.
You're just gonna waste our time. You know that, right?
So,
Still.
I hate parkour.
Oh, I'll show him a glitch.
Hold on.
Okay, you just play. I'm just warning you, he sucks.
That is right there. Okay, we can.
He sucks, so
Yeah.
it follows missiles follow them. Let me play.
No, I'm good.
You're just gonna make me lose.
This is why I hate this map. Someone just pushed me right off. That is so unfair. Oh.
No, it's parkour, dude. Just stay in one spot and just shoot.
What?
Yo, I still
Okay.
remember when I was like level 1. Yo, it was like,
I'm gonna be on this thing.
just shoot and it'll follow them. Don't shoot the T-Rex. That's my T-Rex. If its
we're
name is
close.
Rex, that's mine. I believe I can fly. Woo!
I hate this map.
I believe I can fly.
Woo!
Hey, whoa.
Thank God, guys. This is so hard right now, man. And like this.
Deal with it. Just, yo, hold on. Do any of y'all know Luigi Kid? Luigi Kid, go subscribe to him. He's just
Oh yeah, I just got. Oh no.
subscribe to him.
No,
And
guys.
do click that subscribe button or
Yeah. Show that.
click that subscribe button, cause we need some subscribers, man. We're pretty low on it, so
What the heck just happened?
so.
Someone's like filming it right now,
Yeah.
man.
But do hit the like button. Please support us. It will mean a lot to me. And if y'all want a free shout out, anything, I'll give you anything. I don't care. But I can't give you like money because I'm too young for that. I'm only 10. Well, 10 and a half. And I watch Luigi Kid and PewDiePie. And I know what you might be thinking. How is he watching this at super young age? It's because I'm just-
Victory, guys! Victory!
Shut up! Okay, let me see this. Okay.
Can I have a new? Can I choose my map this time?
Okay, hold on. Let me see something. Okay, my friend, he's leaving. He has to go, so I guess it's just me and you guys. Oh no, I'm so scared. I'm good. But yeah, please do hit the like button. It'll support us a lot. We can make this channel. We can make it through. We can make it through this year. If we can maybe hit 100 subscribers this year. Shut up. God damn you stupid ass. God dang. I was just stupid, man. I was just stupid. So yeah. Area 52. Area 51. To Area 51. Yeah. Oh, I actually want to show you a glitch before I end the video here. 'Cause I'm about to. So let me go to mini games. Campaign. Y'all can use this if y'all want it. It's pretty fun. I like it. A free way to get money. Yeah, I love money. I love me some sweetest money. Okay, so you go in desert. there's a skip. And there's a temple that you can go on. If you already know this, then hit that like button because that's a good job. But I'm gonna go check. I'm gonna show y'all. Ow! I hit my head. Oh my god! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna face the wall. Can you? Wait. They can't. Wait. Where did they go? Yo, I swear they were just. Where are they? I already saw you, so move. And hey, buddy, y'all can move out of my goddamn way, because I'm trying to build something. You hear? Okay, you go here, and you should be able. You're out of the map, and then you can go to this temple and snipe. But you can't go out there, cause yeah, I'll show y'all. Y'all can see the outside map. It's fun. I don't know. Yeah, that happens if you like do it the wrong way. If you fall in. Hey, buddy. How about you die? Yeah, how about you die? But yeah, that's pretty much it. And do subscribe, please. That'll support us a lot. And yeah, that's please do. And I guess I'll just be ending the video off for here. So I guess. And do hit that like button and subscribe. And hold on, wait. I'm not gonna end the video yet. I need to tell y'all this. The more y'all hit that like button, the more videos I'm gonna do. I'm getting ready to do a video after this, so